Imagine being pulled over for a routine traffic stop and having the police officer rummage through your car and personal belongings without your consent. Or imagine being stopped on the street and having an officer pat you down without a warrant or probable cause. This is not just a nightmare scenario. It happens to people every day. But the question is it legal? Did you know that the average American is searched by law enforcement officers 4 times in their lifetime? The Fourth Amendment of the United States Constitution protects citizens from unreasonable searches and seizures by the government. This means that law enforcement officers must have a warrant or probable cause to search you or your belongings. But what exactly is probable cause, and when can law enforcement officers legally search you without a warrant? Stick with us as we dive into the ins and outs of the Fourth Amendment and your rights as an American citizen. Probable cause is defined as a reasonable belief that a crime has been committed or that evidence of a crime is in your possession. This belief must be based on specific and articulable facts and not just a hunch or suspicion. Warrantless searches are allowed under specific circumstances, such as when you consent to a search, when the police are in hot pursuit of a suspect, or during a lawful arrest. However, the most common exception to the warrant requirement is during a traffic stop. If an officer has probable cause, such as smelling the odor of drugs, they may search your vehicle without a warrant. It is important to know that you have the right to refuse a search by law enforcement. If an officer does not have a warrant or probable cause, you have the right to say no to a search of your person, vehicle, or belongings. But what happens if your rights are violated during a warrantless search? If you believe that your rights have been violated during a warrantless search, you can file a complaint and possibly take legal action. An experienced attorney can help you determine if your rights were violated and advise you on your next steps. In conclusion, understanding your Fourth Amendment rights and when law enforcement officers are permitted to search you is crucial in protecting yourself from unreasonable searches and seizures. Always remember, if an officer does not have a warrant or probable cause, you have the right to say no to a search. Don't let your Fourth Amendment rights be violated. Educate yourself and protect your privacy today. This video is for educational purposes only and is not intended to provide legal advice. It's important to stay informed about your rights as a citizen and to understand when and how they may be impacted. By subscribing to our channel and liking this video, you'll have access to more valuable information and resources on this topic and many others related to your rights and freedoms. So, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and give this video a like to stay in the loop and learn more about what you can do to protect your rights.